Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Binayak and welcome to Clever Social. If you're new to this channel, basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses primarily using paid ads. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about negative keywords. So let's start the video. So we have already talked about what are the match types in Google Ads, how to find high intent keywords and how to do keyword research, build out different keyword match type list throughout the previous few videos on this channel. And I think this is the right time to talk about negative keywords, which is very important when you are running Google Ads. Negative keywords are just moderate and they put additional limitations on your positive keywords. So you have your positive keywords, you have broad phrase and exact match. Negative keywords put additional limitations and restrictions to those positive keywords, and negative keywords allows broad phrase and exact match to be so good when you use them in conjunction with negative keywords. So negative keywords uses this negative minus symbol to prevent words and phrases found in search terms from triggering your ads, and it really helps you to prevent wasted ad spend. Negative keywords can be broad phrase and exact. So now let's talk about how to build negative keyword lists for your Google Ads campaign. And in this video, I'm going to show you my process, how I build my negative keyword list for my Google Ads campaign. So when I start building negative keyword list for my Google Ads campaign, I pretty much go with general negative keywords in the first place, like free, employment, jobs, DIY stuff. You can do one thing, you can pretty much go to Google and type something like most common negative keyword list in Google Ads, right? You just go through this list and start pulling negative keywords which is relevant to your campaign, right? So you can pretty much Google it and go to one of these websites and go through these lists and start pulling negative keyword ideas from here that are relevant to your Google Ads campaign, right? The reason why we're doing this is we don't want to show up for these searches, or we don't want our ads to show up for these searches, right? That's the first thing. The second way is to go through your competitors and brand list. You can pretty much negative your local competitors and big brands name. I did a quick search here with remodel business Houston, Texas, and these all are local businesses that are providing the similar services just like yours, and you actually don't want to show up for this local competitor search term. So you can go through this whole list. You can start copying these names to your negative keyword list. You can add these local competitors to your list, and you can pretty much exact negative all of them. You can also negative out the big brand's name like Home Depot and something like that. The third way I find negative keyword ideas is just Google Keyword Planner. Similar like the video we did on how you can do keyword research for your business. The process is pretty same. I just did a quick search with bathroom remodel near me in the Houston and Texas area, and I just go through this whole list, right? So 372 keyword ideas available. So you can go through this whole list. You don't want to show up for these searches like BCI bath and shower, right? This will be your competitor, and you don't want to show up for their searches. So people are looking for these companies, they are loyal to these companies, right? Even if they click on your ad, I'm just taking BCI as an example right over here. If they find out that that's not BCI bath and shower, they just hang up. But Google gonna charge for that click, right? You can go through this whole list, really start pulling data from right here, like we did on keyword research process. So yeah, you can go through this whole list and start pulling out data that are not relevant to your campaign. You can negative that out. Rebath, I guess this is a competitor, right? And you can do one thing. You can go to this button, refine keywords. You can uncheck non-brands, it will show you the whole contractors and other brands that are in your area. So you can take those names, build that list, and you can pretty much exact negative this out, right? So after building your negative keywords, you can obviously go one of these tools, AdWords Wrapper. You can go to this tool and you can copy these keywords right over here and you can paste over here and hit wrap keywords. I already made a video on this tool. If you want to check it out, then you can visit my channel and check it out. So here you can see that phrase and exact match, phrase match, broad match, modified, so many variations are there, right? So you can just copy everything and build out the negative keyword list for your Google Ads campaign. So the next thing, where do I actually put my negative keywords? So you can log into your Google Ads account and visit the campaign section and then click on keywords and negative keywords, right? You can see that there's a lot of negative keywords already I have in this. So how you can add negative keywords to your list? You just go over here and then click on this plus sign and you can paste your negative keywords list, copy it, paste it, and you can save it. You can paste those negative keywords in campaign level and ad group level. I always go with the campaign level, but sometimes there are some cases where you want to paste it in the ad groups level because you don't want to show up for certain terms and searches, right? So then I paste the negative keywords in the ad group level. This is my process of building out negative keyword lists, and you can go through the process that I showed you in this video and build out your own negative keyword list. And yeah, if you are a remodel business or if you are a local business owner and looking for someone to build Google Ads campaign for your business who can get you results, you can go to the description box and there will be a Google form. You just fill that up and I'll be in touch with you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I actually have planned few important videos for the upcoming weeks. I hope you guys get some value out of it. So if you enjoyed the video, please give a like, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And these all are my social media handles. I'll leave the link in the description as well as in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. So bye bye.